Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you how to log into your Binance account on PC. If you want to log in easily, just follow these steps. Launch any browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome. In the search bar at the top, type in www.binance.com and press enter. You'll be directed to the official Binance website. Here you'll see the login option. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the sign up option to create one. Since you already have an account, click on the login button. On the login interface, you can enter your email or phone number, or choose to continue with Google or Apple. For this demo, I'll enter my email. After entering your email, click Next and enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, simply click on the Forgot Password link. Click Next and you'll need to verify your identity. Open your Binance app to confirm, or you can choose another verification method by clicking on Switch to another method. If you choose email verification, a code will be sent to your email. Open your email, find the Binance email, and note the verification code. Go back to the login tab, enter the verification code and hit submit. You're now logged into your Binance account.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.